Hi, on this video I'm going to show you how to easily re-elasticate your broken catapult. So this is what your broken one should look like. You should keep the parts, get rid of the elastic, keep the cup and the body, and then you've got these two, well, on some catapults you have these two stoppers. You might have a catapult such as this one where it doesn't have stoppers. It's even easier to do. So say for this one, you just push the elastic through, cable tie, and on the same on the other side. But for the match catapults such as this one, I'll just show you how to do it yourself quickly. So I've just got a bit of old elastic piece. It's a matrix hollow, size 20. Any large hollow elastic should do the trick. Now the first thing to do is you want to take, well, this is how I do it. You want to take your pellet bander, okay, so you need one of those. I'm just going to finish pushing the elastic onto this end because I've just pellet banded this side. Okay. You just push it right to the end. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we're going to thread it through on the one side. But first of all, I'm going to just figure out what kind of length I need. So I'm going to hold it together. Okay, work out what sort of length I'm going to want. I'd say about, I mean, it doesn't have to be exact. If you have it too long, it's gonna cause problems. So I'd say about say there. Okay. So yeah, if you just line them up and then cut evenly. As I've just done. So you'll have, in the end, you'll have two pieces that are the same. So there's piece one. So we'll now proceed to thread this piece of elastic, this side, through the hole, the back. Pull that, and then that will fit, that stopper will fit neatly in there, and there we have it, that part's done. So now we'll do the same to the other side. So this is where you need your pellet bander. So just wet it at the end. You want to push it into the hole because the hole is really small on the hollow elastic. I mean, if you buy special elastic for a catapult, it probably have a bigger hole at the end, but this fits really snug, so I actually prefer to use this. So you've pushed the, you do it as if you're doing a pellet band. So you push it in, expand it, make sure you get the end of the stopper in. There you go. So the end of the stopper's in now. So I'm just going to wet around there and then proceed to push the rest of the elastic onto the stopper. It needs to be a tight fit because you don't want it to come off while you're using it. The good thing about this hollow elastic is that what it should do is that as you pull, it should actually make a tighter hold. Because it's hollow, it will actually pull inward, if you can see. So this is probably the hardest part. Okay. You got to get it right down to the end. There's no quick and easy way of doing this. Just got to keep pushing it. There we go. There it is. Okay, that one's done. So now we'll push that one through. There it is. So there you have your two pieces. Now you just need the cup. Same procedure again with the cup. You see it fits on here. So you would just use your pellet bander again, push it on, and then to hold the cup, just for extra security, just get a couple of very small cable ties, and after the elastic's on, just cable tie it off, pull them tight, and that is it. I don't want to carry on pushing these on because the video will be too long, but yeah, if you've got any questions on how to do that, please let me know, and thanks for watching.